move it, let's groove it. You want to be the best? Let's prove it. Ah! Oh.
You tell him, Boulder. Make us awesome-tacular.
Yeah. Ha! Here we go. Ooh. Ha! Yeah. Knees up high, straight to the sky. Ha! Yeah. Yeah. Ha! Ha!
Seatbelt mode activate.
Here we go. Yeah. Yeah.
Have no fear, we're almost there.
This is amazing! Where did everyone go? Boulder?
They left. Your friends have been slacking. I'm talking major backtracking. I bet they're off snacking.
They slucked off during my jump till you drop workouts that I demand they come to. Why?
Who's ready to work those?
Taste buds?
I had to give Boulder's session to skip. I exercise enough steering the ship.
I know. So exhausting. Wait, did you just rhyme?
That wouldn't make much sense. Probably a coincidence.
This dance move's really tricky.
That's a hologram glitch, Sid, not a dance move. I'll run a software update later.
Sid, if you copy their glitches, you'll end up needing stitches.
That rhymed.
Oh! McLaren's having a party with snacks and drinks and cakes, not me's. Why would she do this to me? I made her exercise. I made her manage my career. What more can one girl give?
You shouldn't eat so much cake, you'll be overtired without a break.
McLaren's telling everyone to have a no-sister shindig. A meatless meeting.
Don't be so rash, filling up fast will make you crash.
Well, she's not so good at managing, is she? Because she forgot to invite me to her Novelist party. Her Jones-free zone. She's left me out on purpose. McLaren's organiser.
One more bite and say goodnight.
No Nova Club.
My star toast.
Hi, Nova. The whole universe has been invited to planet No Nova for a party. Shame you're not invited. See you when we get back. Bye!
I'm being left out.
Morning! I had a great dream last night. I won Organizer of the Galaxy. It felt so real.
How did you know it was a dream?
Because you came runner-up.
Was that before or after your big fun planet thing?
What big fun planet thing? I need to go talk to Sid and the captain.
Why do you need to talk to Sid and the captain?
You really wouldn't want to know.
I really would want to know.
Really wouldn't.
I really would.
Okay, about the nautical navigational controls of the Jefferson.
Boring!
Told you.
Nautical navigational controls. What does that even mean? NNC. Code for No Nova Club.
Hologram update complete.
Yay! I did it! New Dologram selfie mode lets you create a super realistic hologram of yourself.
Nice.
Nice. I managed to do the entire software update task without any sit-ups. It's brilliant!
Good.
Why so not talky, Captain?
I can avoid being poetic if I only say one word. If I use any more, a rhyme gets hurt.
Can I have my tablet back now? It's Red Monday on Pencils Galore. Buy 100 pencils, get a free pencil case.
Everyone, you'd better be at Boulder's next workout session. That means you, and you, and you, and you, and you. Maybe not you. Calling kid songwriter. And you. Do not miss it or Nova's squeal goes ultrasonic.